Hello, good morning students. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the most important topic of the chapter, short run equilibrium of a firm under perfect combination. In the earlier lectures, what we discussed, what is equilibrium? Equilibrium matlab position of no change, state of balance. We have also discussed there are two basic condition or essential condition of equilibrium of a firm in perfect combination. First, marginal revenue must be equal to marginal cost. Second, marginal cost curve should cut marginal revenue curve from below. And we also discussed why average revenue curve or demand curve is parallel to x-axis in perfect combination. हम लोग आज शॉर्ट रन इक्विलिब्रियम देखेंगे, वेदर द फर्म इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम पोजिशन और नॉट. टू नो दिस हमको क्या चाहिए? मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू एंड मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. वेदर द फर्म इज अर्निंग प्रॉफिट और इट इज इनकरिंग लॉस, वो जानने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? एवरेज रेवेन्यू एंड एवरेज कॉस्ट. देयर आर थ्री पॉसिबिलिटीज इन शॉर्ट रन. Short run में some factors are variable factors, some factors are fixed factor. We already discussed. There are three possibilities. Firm can earn supernormal profit, firm can incur losses, or firm can earn only normal profit. There are three possibilities in the short run. First, we will discuss the first possibility. First, when AR, average revenue or price is greater than average cost, firm earns supernormal profit. Diagram ध्यान से देखना, video ध्यान से देखना. It will very useful to you to understand the concept. Here x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. Okay. The curve is parallel to x-axis, demand curve, because firm can sell any number of units with prevailing price in the market. It has not to reduce price, it has not to lower price. Firm is price taker, but it is not price maker. Now this is marginal cost. Okay. Marginal cost. So B is an equilibrium point, okay, and OM is an equilibrium out. So how to write? X-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. B is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. दोनों कंडीशन यहाँ फुलफिल होती है. मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इक्वल है, और मार्जिनल कॉस्ट को मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू को नीचे से टच कट करता है. ओके, बोथ द कंडीशंस आर फुलफिल्ड. सो BM इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट एंड OM इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम पॉइंट. प्राइस इज OA. ओके, तो अपना इक्विलिब्रियम आउटपुट कितना है? OM. नाउ OM आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करने में कितना पर यूनिट कॉस्ट कितना होता है, पर यूनिट रेवेन्यू कितना, उसके बेस पर हम लोग प्रॉफिट और लॉस डिसाइड करते हैं. क्लियर ना? कोई x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. B is equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. Now what is the condition? Average revenue is greater than average cost. If average revenue is greater than average cost, it means average cost should be less than average revenue. A is greater than B, मतलब B is less than A. Okay. अगर एवरेज कॉस्ट एवरेज रेवेन्यू से कम होगा, सो ऑब्वियसली एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व शुड बिलो एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व. दिस इज एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व एंड BM क्या हो जाएगा? एवरेज रेवेन्यू कितना हो जाएगा? BM. ओके, सो एवरेज कॉस्ट, दिस इज एवरेज कॉस्ट, एवरेज कॉस्ट. ओके, यहाँ एक पॉइंट है C नाम देके हम लोग लाइक दिस टच करते हैं. ओके, सो इन प्रोड्यूसिंग OM आउटपुट, एवरेज कॉस्ट, एवरेज रेवेन्यू पे कौन सा पॉइंट है? B. output OM. So average revenue is equal to BM. Here C is on cost point. So average cost is equal to CM. This is revenue, this is cost. So BC, per unit profit कितना हो जाएगा? BC. Why? Because average revenue is greater than average cost. When firm produces OM output, BM is average revenue, CM is average cost. So this one, BC is per unit profit because average revenue is greater than average cost. Obviously, revenue जब cost से ज़्यादा होगा तो firm को profit मिलेगा. Getting my point? But we are interested to know what is the total profit. Okay? So क्या करना होगा? Per unit profit BC into आउटपुट कितना है OM को मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? ABCD rectangle is indicating profit. Why? Because when we consider the whole area, whole output, so क्या हो जाएगा? OABM. Total revenue कितना आ जाएगा? OABM. Well, this is on ABCD. ODCM. ODCM क्या हो जाएगा? Total cost. Okay, this is OABM total revenue. ODCM इतना revenue है, इतना cost है. So this rectangle क्या हो जाएगा? Profit. So rectangle ABCD indicating profit. Okay, but to know profit, you require only average revenue and average cost. How to write in the examination? Listen attentively. X-axis represents output. Y-axis represents price. B is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. Now, as we observe from diagram, when firm produces OM output, BM is equal to average revenue, CM is equal to average cost. So here, per unit profit is BC. Why? Because firm is average revenue is greater than average cost. If we multiply by total area, obviously we will get the total profit ABCD. Yeah, okay. So here average revenue is greater than average cost, so firm is earning profit. Rectangle ABCD indicating profit, firm is earning supernormal profit. Okay, इतना लिख सकते हैं आप, clear हो जाए. Okay, this is the first condition. Now we will discuss the second condition. When average revenue or price is less than average revenue or price is less than average cost, firm incurs losses. अगर cost revenue से ज्यादा होगा तो obviously firm को loss होगा. Okay, how to explain with the diagram we will discuss. Okay, so try to understand. Average revenue, marginal revenue, output, X, this is price, marginal cost, OM output, B is the equilibrium point, OA, इतना common रहेगा. Okay, X axis represents output, Y axis represents price, B is the equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Okay, firm produces OM output at OA price and OM is an equilibrium output. Output कितना है? OM. Okay. Now what is the situation? Average revenue is less than average cost. Obviously, average revenue is less than average cost. It मतलब average cost is greater than average revenue. Okay. Simple. हाँ? अगर cost revenue से ज्यादा है तो एवरेज कॉस्ट क्या होगा? एवरेज कॉस्ट शुड बी अबोव एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व. दिस इज एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व, तो उससे ऊपर होगा. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ कर्व लाइक दिस. दिस इज एवरेज कॉस्ट कर्व. ओके, सो डायरेक्टली हमको यहाँ टच करना पड़ेगा लाइक दिस एंड वी कैन ड्रॉ रेक्टेंगल. दिस इज सिंपल. A B C D. Okay. So in diagram what can be observed, that average cost is equal to, because C point is on cost curve, output is OM, so average cost is equal to CM, average revenue is equal to BM. Okay, so here CB, this average cost is greater than average revenue. तो CB क्या करेगा, इंडिकेट करेगा लॉस इंडिकेट. व्हाई? बिकॉज कॉस्ट इज हायर देन रेवेन्यू. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो एवरेज कॉस्ट इज CM, एवरेज रेवेन्यू इज BM. So you can observe from diagram that average cost is greater than average revenue, so firm is incurring losses. When we want to know total loss CB into total area OM, so rectangle ABCD क्या हो जाएगा, loss. So same here in our diagram, that ODCM is total cost, ODCM total cost, OABM क्या होगा, total revenue. Total cost is greater than total revenue, so firm is incur losses. Okay, how to write in examination? X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents price, B is an equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and OM is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram, when firm produces OM output, average cost is equal to CM, average revenue is equal to BM. Here average cost is greater than average revenue, or average revenue is less than average cost, so firm is incurring losses. In the diagram, CB is indicating per unit loss. When we multiply with total output, obviously we will get ABCD is indicating the total loss of the firm. Here average revenue or total revenue is less than total cost, so firm is incurring losses. In the diagram, rectangle ABCD is indicating losses. Okay. So in this video lecture, we discussed two possibilities. When average revenue or price is greater than average cost, firm earns supernormal profit or abnormal profit. When average revenue is less than average cost, firm incurs losses. Okay. Next possibility we will discuss in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you very much for